Don't worry, I didn't cut my hand open, but I thought I did. This isn't the only issue I had with this project, but we'll get to that later. Anyways, check out how satisfying this is.
Beautiful.
For the cost, these lights look and work fantastic. Just look at this glow up. I swapped out my headlights to these Loyo 5x7 LEDs. The improvement in beam pattern and brightness is quite literally night and day. Now that I've shown you my headlight upgrade, let's jump into swapping out my old marker and blinker lights for LEDs.
Should only need one Phillips screwdriver. Anyways, that'll keep moisture from getting in there too bad and rusting, and making sure your contacts aren't contacting anymore. Anyways, so don't worry, Amanda, I'm not wiping grease on my jeans. At least not intentionally. Make sure you don't break it. Now that's pretty cool. Let's do this one. Whoa! All right, let's check everything. Got it.
See the full-length video linked in the description below.